Do you like the default ending for your video clips edited in CapCut Video Editor? It's acceptable to me, but sometimes I find it unnecessary. Most of the time, I don't need it when creating videos for different platforms because of the allowed video length. Therefore, I'll show you how to remove this dark outro on videos in CapCut Video Editor. You can easily remove this part when creating an individual video by selecting it on the timeline and clicking delete. But that's just a temporary solution. Let's go back to the home screen of the CapCut application. To turn off the default ending option, click on Settings. The Add Default Ending option is enabled. Turn it off by clicking on the toggle button next to it. Confirm your choice by clicking Discard. Let's test it out. I'll open a new project and add some video. If I go to the very end of this project now, we'll see that there's no more of that default ending. There, we've solved this little issue. Subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.